Hello, hello, hello. Great day, great day, great day. This is a really quick, short video for a friend of mine. A friend of mine was asking me that, he wanted to have a bit more confidence, that he's not feeling up to speed. So I said, sure, I can help you with that. I can relate to that. I have to always use more confidence myself when I'm getting on this camera to talk to you guys. Sometimes we all might come across a time where we're lacking confidence. So, this is what I told him, how to have more confidence. One, I said you have to write it out first. And it's an affirmation, but it's a different affirmation than what you're used to. Everybody is writing I am. That's perfect. That's a great one. I like to use I am more confident. A lot of emphasis on the more. I am more confident. Or you might say, I feel more confident. Emphasis on the feel. Like Neville Goddard would say, feeling is the secret. Feel it. Try it right now. Take a few seconds. Try it right now. Say it. I feel more confident. I am confident. See? I am. It's great. The most powerful two words put together, but you could also feel for a while. I feel more confident. I am more confident. Because we all have confidence within us, but we need to grasp onto one little energy socket of that energy of confidence and feel it more. I feel it more. Like, see, I take deep breaths. Always say the I feel more confident. I am more confident. Flex on that. That should be your one affirmation for 30 days. Nothing else. Anything that you've been using for the past whatever, from this today, if you want to feel more confident, if you want more confidence, just do for 30 days. After that, you can get back to whatever you're doing before, but use it 30 days. I'll also encourage you, use your opposite hand. Write it in your opposite hand. Why? Because it's going to dig a deeper neural pathway. It's different. It's just something different than what you're used to. Because what you've been used to brought you here. You're here for a reason. You didn't just like stumble upon this page. You're here for a reason. We are in perfect alignment. There's some issue of confidence that I need to explain to a friend of mine, and that means I must explain it to myself. Because as I explain it to you, I learn it deeper. So, what I would be writing is, I feel more confident. I am more confident. Set up little alarms on your phone, just for the fun of it. Or to reprogram your mind, you choose. Pre-program your phone. I feel more confident. Just a couple of times to remind you throughout the day, because some of you will forget. I feel more confident. That's one affirmation. Another thing you can do if you want to be very extreme and you want rapid results, get your phone. Record. I feel more confident. I am more confident. I am more confident. Just say certain phrases for yourself. Real short. A minute, 2 minutes, just rampage of confident statements. I'm terrific, I'm great, I'm magnificent, I love myself. Just record yourself. Real short. Play it on loop. Even while you're sleeping, have it plugged in. Play it on loop. Reinforcing the confidence in you. What will happen after a few days is going to become like a beat inside of you. Like, I'm more confident, I feel more confident. Confidence, confidence. You're writing it down. For those of you who want to go the extra mile, write it down 50 times. Write it down. I remember Bob Proctor had us writing it down like 100 times a day for 30 days. Because we want to really deeply ingrain that identity, that confidence you want. I mean, it's worked for me. People say, Zeke, you have great confidence. Yeah. I used to write it down 100 times with my opposite hand and record my voice saying it, and I'd play it in the background when I'm sleeping. I will go online, look for subliminal audios, binaural beats. I'll look for ones that are on confidence, self-esteem. I will play those while I sleep for like 8 hours. I did that for like 6 months. Ta-da! And here we are. So that's a real strong way to reinforce it. And confidence really just comes from self-image, from your self-image. If you're having a little bit of a hurdle or a little bit of difficulty, look at it like, find something in your past, something you did, an achievement you got, a praise at work, or somebody your family praised you, or you accomplished something that you knew was a task and you accomplished it. Think of it. If you think of it, there's going to be that element of confidence you're going to have. Think of it, hold on to it. It's very fleeting. You have to hold on to it to get it, especially when you're trying to maximize your confidence, trying to bring it out. There's going to be that feeling. Go back in your memory and think about that time you felt a little bit more confident. Maybe you walked up to that meeting, to that apartment, to that young lady, to that man, to wherever. That little confidence, that little extra pep in your step. Think about it. A few seconds. Think. Go on. Just think of a time when you felt confident. Now just smile a little bit. And if you're sitting down watching this, or if you can remember, write it down. It's an easy task. Just write it down. When did you feel confident? I'm like, yeah. Somebody give somebody an extra donation. I'll write that down. Got a little pep in my step. That's a confident moment in your past, which you've brought back into the current time. This helps in just boosting it. And then you do little things. Do little gestures of good. Do extra deeds. Go out of your way to intentionally do good. Not just, yeah, I'm doing good. No. Intentionally go out of your way. Remember this. Intentionally go out of your way and do good. So, I don't want to make this video too long. I want it to be real short and quick, so you know what I'm talking about, right? For those of you in the back, if you want more confidence, you project it. Think in your mind, I need 10% more. Put 10% more energy in your step. That came from the magic of thinking big. Check out that book, The Magic of Thinking Big. It has ways to help you upgrade or push you forward. So, I gotta go into the next video. I love you guys and have more confidence.